Welcome to Phlebotomy Training Institute in Birmingham. If you're visiting us on a weekday, I'll be happy to walk you through the directions to get here. Our training center is located in Lead Academy, Office 4J4K 4th floor, Cobalt Square, 8385 Hagley Road, Birmingham B16 8QG. Upon arrival, please proceed to the main door and enter the building. You'll see the reception. Kindly let the receptionist know you're here for phlebotomy training and they'll happily guide you. The receptionist will direct you to the elevator. Please press 4 in the lift for the 4th floor. Once you step out on the 4th floor, turn right, walk straight, and open the door ahead of you. And there you are, Phlebotomy Training Institute in Birmingham.